From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon on this Thursday, folks. As we take a look out there at the Beaver Stadium cam right now, it is quite lovely out there. Just a bunch of cumulus clouds popping up. Temperatures right now a little lower than what we've been expecting over this oppressively hot and humid week. Temperatures right now in those upper 60s. Once you get into those mid 60s and close to 70, that's when it starts to feel real oppressive out there. However, it is nice and calm with some light winds. Nothing really to worry about in that regard. But if we take a look at the rest of the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania in terms of temperatures, a lot of that warmth is centered here to the central and southern eastern portions of the state, as you can start to see that cold front that we will be talking about approaching from the north. Up in Bradford, only about 68 right now, 77 here in State College. And if we take a look more out at the rest of the country, you can really see that gradient from the Midwest all the way up here into the Northeast. That cooler Canadian air is trying to push in. It's not really going to push in too much, but it is going to create some problems with precipitation over the next couple hours. However, we take a look at the southeast and into the Midwest, temperatures normal for this time of year. As we take a look back here, though, at the state of Pennsylvania, those dew points are feeling awfully oppressive, 66 in State College already. And if we take a look down at the south and east in Allentown and Philly, 68. So already getting pretty sweltering, and that humidity is feeling awful out there. However, you can see some breaks up into the north and west, Bradford at 59, Erie at 60. So that drier, cooler air is trying to push its way south and east towards us. It'll make its attempt tonight and into tomorrow. However, those humidity and dew points won't decrease too much, but it'll definitely feel a lot better than it did yesterday. If we take a look at the satellite and radar right now, nothing really to talk about, just some pop-up cumulus clouds in the central and northern portions of the state. More in the southwest, you can start to see some bands of stratus clouds moving in. However, nothing really in terms of radar or precipitation right now. But if we take a look at some of the weather headlines we have this week, the cold front is going to push in today and into tomorrow, and that's going to bring with it some precipitation and some cooler temperatures, not too cool. However, it is going to be a relief compared to what we experienced this week. Rain chances, though, increase through the weekend, especially for the football game. I know that's a big concern for people. It is going to be rainy, not a washout like last year's game. However, there still are some rain chances, so be prepared at your tailgates and going into the game. And then heat and humidity will return for next week, as you will see those dew points and temperatures are going to climb back to what they were at the beginning of this week. But for now, here we're going to take a look at the future weather. Here's tonight at 5:30 from one of our RPM models, giving us an idea of the future weather over the next couple of days. So fairly normal for this time of year, kind of close to average for tonight. And then as we move through, you can start to see those temperatures into Friday morning are going to be a lot cooler than what they've been recently. 65 here in State College. It was 71 this morning, so the 6-degree temperature decrease definitely going to feel a lot better. And then throughout much of the state, temperatures in the 60s. Only Philadelphia in the southeast climbs into the 70s. So again, it's going to be feeling nice. And then on Friday, temperatures overall lower than what they have been, only 73 in State College. And again, down to the south and east, cool as well, only getting into the upper 70s, where it has been in the upper 80s, near 90 almost every day. And then out to the west, where they do get a little more sunshine, not as much clouds, and that southeast breeze doesn't really get to them, their temperatures climb into the middle 80s. And then as we cruise through the day on Friday into Saturday overnight, temperatures are going to be into the mid 60s, upper 60s, and lower 70s throughout much of the Commonwealth. However, they aren't going to really change throughout the day, as there's going to be a lot of cloud cover, and that's going to keep the diurnal range pretty small, and temperatures that are here at 8:30 in the morning on Saturday are going to be pretty close to what they will be throughout much of the day. And so if we take a look at the future weather that's going to be associated, as we said, there are going to be some showers and clouds associated with that cold front pushing through tonight. And then as we move through onto the overnight hours into Friday, those clouds and precipitation really pick up. You can see the cloud cover over much of the state of Pennsylvania has really picked up, and especially portions east, you start to see some of that precipitation that is going to keep those temperatures down to the mid-70s. And then as we move through the day on Friday, more pop-up showers, especially in the evening. A line of thunderstorms could impact the central portions, and again, cloudiness for much of the state. And then as you get into Saturday, that easterly and southerly flow starts to build in, and we get some of those low clouds and some light precipitation. Nothing really heavy, no thunderstorms to worry about, but definitely a drizzle and some showers are possible, especially in the morning hours on your Saturday. So again, to wrap it up for tonight, temperatures getting down towards 70 in those upper 60s. There's a chance of showers, especially portions west and central, with that west wind is going to be bringing that cold front with it. That won't really get to us in terms of temperature-wise, but we will see it in terms of some precipitation. And then again, for your day tomorrow, temperatures get into those middle 70s. Shower chances again, especially in the especially for us here in State College. And then that wind south to southeast changing from that westerly flow that we will see. And here's how it summarizes in our 7-day forecast. Again, like we said, for your day on Thursday, showers late, temperatures in the lower 80s Friday. Temperatures only get into those middle 70s with scattered showers throughout much of the day. And then on Saturday, it's going to be a cooler start with showers around, nothing but no washout chances for the game. However, keep your eye on the skies while you're out there tailgating and having fun. And then as we move through into Sunday, Monday, and the start of next week, that heat and humidity returns with some shower chances to start the week. But Wednesday, it wraps up nicely as temperatures climb back into the 80s with some sunshine. However, it will still feel humid, so you may not want to be outside. For Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Ben Davenport.